important. I am here to enlighten you on hypertension, the causes and effects of hypertension, which is also known as high blood pressure. First, what is hypertension? Hypertension is a condition when blood flows through the blood vessels with a force that is greater than normal. And from the statistics gathered, hypertension is responsible for over 45% death rate due to stroke across both gender. There is no doubt hypertension is catching up with almost everyone, both young and old. Having higher blood pressure for a short amount of time is normal, but when the blood pressure stays up for longer than expected, then it can lead to serious health problems, which can lead to death. I'll be sharing with you the causes of hypertension. Age. The risk of developing high blood pressure increases as you get older. A family history of high blood pressure, a high amount of salt in your food, a lack of exercise, being overweight, not having enough sleep, smoking, regularly drinking large amounts of alcohol, which is a great cause of hypertension. If you have been diagnosed with hypertension, you need to change your lifestyle to the following. Reduce your salt intake, eating a low-fat balanced diet, including plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Being active, read some tips about more exercise, cutting down on alcohol, losing weight. You drink less of caffeine found in coffee, tea, and cola. Getting at least 6 hours of sleep a night if you can. Stop smoking. If you don't live a healthy lifestyle, hypertension, which is also known as high blood pressure, can cause the following. 1. Strain the heart. 2. It can damage blood vessels. 3. It can also increase the risk of heart attack. It can lead to stroke. Hypertension can also cause kidney problems, and most importantly, hypertension can cause untimely deaths. Check our website for testimonies. Thank you.